This AI solves the biggest problem with working with AI and web design: context. Switching tabs, going back and forth with AI tools like ChatGPT, well, it takes a lot of time. Hi, my name is Andrew Palmer, and if you're looking for a faster way to work with AI, stick around because this is a method nearly 70,000 teams are using to ship work faster with fewer mistakes. Let's jump into it. We're working with the Inner Circle, 6 strategic AI teammates who actually live in your projects in the context of your work. They're not another chatbot on the side. They're built right into the workflow, seeing what you see, reading what's on the page, and giving you strategic advice in real time. So instead of you trying to explain everything to ChatGPT, they already know. They know your brand, your goals, your audience, your tone, everything that gives their feedback real context. And that's what makes all the difference. So how do they get all that context? Simple. You teach them once and they remember. Let's set it up in Atarim. Head into settings and click on define your brand. This is where your inner circle learns all about you. Start by pasting in your website URL, your web address, hit generate, and the inner circle will automatically pull your brand colors, your tone, and guidelines straight from your site. It's like giving your AI teammates a quick brand bootcamp. Then fill out a few extra details if you like. For example, how you work, what's special to you, your team, and of course, your clients. All of this helps your AI teammates understand the full picture before they start collaborating with you. You can even upload files, things like client briefs, brand books, or example copy, so they can learn directly from your real materials. Once it's set up, your inner circle just gets it. All the context, tone, and brand details. No copy pasting as a web designer prompts. Now here's why all this context matters. When your inner circle already knows your brand, your goals, and the work in front of them, everything changes. You stop wasting time explaining what you're doing and start getting feedback that actually moves the project forward. It's how you end that constant trade-off between speed and quality. You're working faster, but still catching the details that make your work exceptional. Because your inner circle sees what you see, they spot things your team might miss, from design inconsistencies, weak copy, to SEO issues hiding under the surface. It's like having 6 senior teammates backing you up, keeping your work sharp, on brand, and launch ready every time. Be honest, how many tabs do you have open right now? 5, 15? Somewhere in the danger zone? How often do you end up copying bits of your work into ChatGPT just so that it understands what you mean? Wouldn't it be nice if it already knew what you were working on? Wouldn't it be great if you had a team to help you out? If you enjoyed this video, check out where I walk you through how to work with Claro, your clarity-first AI teammate who turns vague feedback into clear, actionable tasks and keeps every project moving forward smoothly and with momentum. I'm Andrew, this is Atarim, and I'll see you in the next one.